So for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-add ng tax sa Singapore Tax Info. So una, click nyo yung 3 line dun sa taas. And then after that, i-click nyo tong payment. Pag na-click nyo yung payment ngayon, i-click nyo yung payment info. So pag na-click nyo yung payment info, ito yung bubungad sa atin. To avoid any delay on your payout, to make sure the right amount of the tax is withheld, to make sure to provide your Singapore Tax Info as soon as possible. So ngayon, i-click nyo lang yan. Ito. Para makapag-add tayo ng tax. And then ngayon, scroll lang natin pataas. And then ngayon, i-click lang tong tax info. And then ngayon is i-click lang tong start. So ito yung bubungad. Then i-click nyo lang tong business type. So ang i-click ko lang is individual. And then dito, do you have a permanent establishment in Singapore? So wala naman tayo establishment in Singapore. So i-click lang natin yung no. Then, pangalawa, are you registered for Singapore Goods and Service Tax, GST, under the Overseas Vendor Registration Regime? Then, i-click lang yung no ulit. Then, unique entity number. So, wala na yan. So, and then, ito is pwede nyo naman lampasan na kasi optional lang naman to. Entity number na yan. Tapos, sunod is tax exceptions. Are you eligible for tax exception? I-click lang yung no. And then, the next is, are you eligible for another exception or lower tax rates? So, i-click lang natin yung no. And then, after that, ang pinagkaiba lang naman dito is, ito lang naman yung nabago yung individual. Kasi ito naman is choices lang natin. So, individual ako kasi akin lang naman tong account. And then, dito is, pangalawa is no ulit. And then, no. Sa baba, no ulit. Basta lahat ay no. And then, dito baba is no ulit. And then, after that, i-click nyo na tong submit. Ayan, as you can see is, na ano na yung ating tax. Your tax info has been accept. Ayan, as you can see, ito yung nasa baba. Status success submitted November 8, 2023. Expired or never expired. Nakalagay, diba? So, ayun lang. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para update ka sa aking next video. Peace out!